Welcome to STUK Academy. My name is Brette and I am the founder of STUK Designs. This is the F.L.Y Girl program, and F.L.Y stands for First Love Yourself. In this program, you will learn how to draw a face. Each course is very detailed, and we start with the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and then we get into the entire structure of the face. But by the end of this course, you will learn how to draw your own STUK girl. Yes, I like her. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you're going to need some kind of reference photo, or like I'm using my iPad and using it as a reference photo. Then of course a pencil, I like mechanical, and an eraser. I also like retractable because it, can be reused. And I love kneaded erasers because they erase very clean and smoothly. And then this is a blending tool, if that's your jam. And then, of course, a ruler will help you draw everything straight in perspective and on the right axis. All right, let's go. Okay, so let's get into the nose. So we're going to start with axis lines again, a vertical and then a horizontal axis line across the page so that the nose can sit on a straight line. And I apologize, my paper is not exactly straight, but you guys will get the point. So then we're going to start with a circle in the middle of where our axis lines intersect. And you're just going to draw a circle. And then you're going to draw two circles on the outside of that center circle. So it'll be 3 circles, 2 little, 1 big. And then you're going to draw 2 half circles where the nostrils will be placed. And we're going to darken the lines a little bit and loosely kind of just draw over the shape of what a nose looks like. And we're going to test the line of our reference photo just so we make sure we get it right. And then just kind of, we're connecting the lines here. We're literally like connecting the dots, connecting the lines. And this is my super easy, simple way to draw a nose. It can obviously get more advanced than this, but this is just a really easy technique for you guys to practice over and over again how to draw a nose. So 3 circles, and then you're going to connect all of the lines. And then to draw the shape of like the nose bridge, they're just 2 lines above the nose, above the 3 circles. So yeah, let's just, keep practicing and get used to this. 3 circles, and then 2 half-shape ovals or circles. And then let's connect the lines. And it's okay if you mess up, just make sure that you're sketching loosely, lightly, like a feather. And then, we're going to connect the lines, and that is a nose. We would super appreciate it if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe. And please, if you feel so called to, text to donate, or you can donate online at stukdesigns.org/give. And feel free to follow us at STUK Designs on all social media platforms. Have a great morning, afternoon, or night, depending on where in the world you are. We love you so much. Thank you for watching.